How to cook rice in a rice cooker. Using a rice cooker is a simple and effective way to cook rice. Many rice cookers keep the rice warm after it's cooked. There's no need to watch the rice cooker since this appliance comes with an automatic timer that clicks when the rice is ready. This video will show you how to cook rice with a rice cooker so that you can minimize the chance of burnt rice and ruined pots. If you still encounter problems, consult the troubleshooting guide. Method 1. Cooking the rice. 1. Measure the rice with a cup and put it into your cooking pot. 2. Rinse the rice if necessary. 3. Measure the water. Most rice cooker instructions recommend cold water. 4. Soak the rice for 30 minutes, if desired. 5. Add flavorings, optional. 6. Push the rice grains off the sides and under the water level. 7. Check your rice cooker for special options. 8. Cook the rice in the rice cooker. 9. Allow the rice to rest for 10 to 15 minutes before removing the lid, optional. 10. Fluff and serve. Method 2. Troubleshooting. 1. Reduce water levels next time if the rice is mushy. 2. Add more water and cook on the stove if the rice is undercooked. 3. Remove rice promptly after cooking if the rice is frequently burned. 4. Find a use for overcooked rice. 5. Adjust for altitude. 6. Deal with leftover water. 7. Finished.